Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do two DIYs for you. So for my first DIY, I got inspired by fossils. I love my earthy pieces, my nature pieces, and so I decided to create some fossil looking wall art. Super different, super fun, not the easiest to create, takes a lot of patience, so I'm giving you a little heads up. So I decided to take some yarn that I had, some different ropes, some string, some macrame rope, play around, have fun, and created this round fossil thing. And at first I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I knew I wanted to create that fossil looking shell, and then I decided to put it in some cement, looking like as if it was dug up from the ground. Actually, I love how it turned out. It has a nature feel, but still has obviously my neutral colors that I love, and it's a wall art that I have never done. If you love different colors, you can use different colors. If you want to use different texture as the background, you can go ahead and do so. This is how I created mine. I've used cement in the past. I usually use cement and a compound as well so that it kind of sticks things together, but it does, when it dry, have a little bit of cracks here and there. So I usually either use some caulking and then fix the cracks, or if you don't mind the cracks and you love that whole look of worn, cracked look, then you can go ahead and leave it with the cracks. It gives a little character to your piece. So let's jump right into the first piece. Enjoy. So moving on to my second DIY, I decided to create a totem sculpture. I ended up using different shapes, different foam pieces, some wood pieces that I had found at my local dollar store, and decided to create a weird looking sculpture. If you really look at it, it looks like a leg of a antique desk or table. So there was something that was bothering me of it. So I ended up adding some beads and I added some fringes to it, and I thought that it gave more of a edge and a different look to it, and it warmed it up a little bit because at first I felt it was a little bit looking like an antique leg. I didn't intend for it to look like that. That's how it came out. Especially when I put the cement, I felt that it was losing a little bit of the shape. So if you want to keep the shape, then I would probably suggest not using cement and going straight to either baking soda with some paint to create a little bit of texture but not losing the shape. I felt with the cement it lost a little bit of my shapes, but I still love it nonetheless. I still think it came out unique and fun and different. I'm not sure where I'm putting it yet, but I will definitely find a home for it. That is pretty much it. So let's jump right into the second DIY. that is it. Those are my 2 DIYs. I hope you enjoyed them. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Should I change things? Should I do things differently? If you have other suggestions, I would love to hear. Moving on to the outfit part, I'm going to start from top to bottom. Hat is from Brixton. Jewelry, some of it's from Kawakaya, some of it I thrifted. One of them is from my bestie. She had gotten me this a couple years ago and I have worn it ever since. I love this piece. This dress is actually a thrifted find. I'll probably be talking about it in one of my next videos. I found this recently. It is so beautiful. It has a Japanese feel to it. It has palm trees on it. It has a satiny feel to it, and the color is what drew me to it. It fits perfectly with my hat. It has a whole brown mustardy amber color that I love because my eyes are actually that color. My eyes look like caddish amber colored eyes. When I wear this color, it makes my eyes stand out a little bit more. So anyway, I love this. Found it thrift shopping, belt thrifted, and that is pretty much it. That is the whole look. Next video, I actually worked on the Paco Rabanne dupe. I am so excited to share it with you. It came out so good, better than I could have ever expected. A lot of work, a lot of patience, but I am so happy. I cannot wait to share it with you. Instead of a $2,000 handbag, I end up paying $25 for it. So, I mean, huge difference, and I love it as much as if it were a Paco Rabanne, except it doesn't have the brand name. But I'm not about brand names. I love things that are beautiful, that visually are appealing, and so I cannot wait to show you that video as well. So that's gonna be my next video, and then the one after, I'm probably gonna do a thrift video because I went thrift shopping recently, and I cannot wait to share all of the goodies that I found. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. I love you so much. I will see you next time. Have the best week ever. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.